YouTube. I'm out here in North Dakota. Yesterday I had to come off the road because the weather was that bad. It was like a blizzard, but now it's a little better today. We just got like snow blowing across the street now. A few trucks and cars ran off the road, but it's not that bad today. So we trying to head back east, get out of this stuff. You know, you got ice on the road, snow keep blowing across the road, you know. So it's a little bad out here, but we gotta slow it down and keep it moving. Thanks for watching.